The answer was C.
Okay, D. Thanks, Junior.
Cody, you have number 2 yet?
Yeah.
What is it?
D.
What? I can't understand you, Cody. I don't know what it is.
D.
Cody!
What?
You sound really sick with all that coughing you're doing. Turn in your test and go see the nurse.
Cody, what are we gonna do?
No, it's okay. I'm fine. I just have allergies.
Nurse's office, right now!
Yes, sir. Sorry, Junior.
What am I gonna do?
Cody, what were you thinking coming to school sick? You're gonna get everyone else sick.
Well, it's not contagious.
Oh, you were coughing like wild animal over there. Like blah, 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 blah. You're gonna get everyone sick.
Well, I just have a really bad cough that makes me cough out answers to my friends.
Cody, go to the nurse's office right now.